Welcome back to SmartBots demonstration video series. I'm Quincy, and in this video, we'll show you how to use SmartBots Waypoints Navigator to create a simple tour guide bot in Second Life. If you do not know how to set up a personal bot, the link to the video will be in the description. So, what is Waypoints Navigator? It's a great tool for greeting visitors, guiding them around your location, or setting up automated bot movement. First, we need to purchase and enable the Waypoints Navigator add-on. To do this, go to our website, click Get Add-ons, click Movement and Activity, and follow the purchase process. Now wait for the add-on to initialize. As you can see, the add-on is currently empty. Let's set it up. Now, let's set up waypoints to define our bot's movement path. Stand at the first location where the bot should go. Remember these two values. Add a command walk and enter these two values there. Now move to the next stop and repeat the same thing. We'll also add say command after each walk sequence to make the bot say something, and a sleep command as well, to make the bot wait for a few seconds before proceeding. At the start, we'll add teleport command so the bot always teleports back to the starting point after finishing every command. And wait message command as well, so the bot starts the tour only when it's being told to do so. Lastly and most importantly, we're gonna click Save Changes. By the way, we are hosting a special giveaway. Scan the QR code on screen to enter. Don't miss your chance to win something exciting. Alright, now that all the waypoints have been set, let's see what it does. Dakota, start tour.
This is our reception area, if you need some help. These are our in-world boards for more information. This is Quincy's table, but I've never seen him stay at just one table. That man is all over the place.
And that's it! You've now set up a simple tour guide bot using Waypoints Navigator. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. As always, I'm Quincy, and I'll see you in the next video.